Okay, here we're dealing with a 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Here we're gonna see how to change the rear brake pads without the scanner, which is pretty simple. Just gotta turn the key on, which is pressing this button here until all these lights come on. Then from the main menu, you're gonna select settings using this button here. So pretty much go to settings. You're gonna scroll down to where it says driver assistance. Once you're in this menu, you go to brake service mode. Let me open the door so we get some more light in here. Okay, let's see. Okay, service mode, brake service. Then hit select. Then brake service, would you like to retract brake pads to allow brake system service? Scroll down to yes. And what it's doing now, it's retracting the brake piston on the rear caliper. Now you'll be able to squeeze the piston in and change the pads. Once you change the pads, you're gonna have to come back here to this menu that's gonna be left on. To go back to normal mode, all you gotta do is press the brake pedal and pull this parking brake button, and that's adjusting the pistons again. Okay, you're gonna get to this menu, brake service, park, brake reset, and that's that. Just close this menu, move this to the left, actually left, there you go, to go back to the main menu. And just to confirm that it's working, just activate the parking brake again and you will hear the calipers working. That's pretty simple, as usual, keeping it simple for the rear brake pads on this Alfa Romeo. Okay.